Kia ora, my name is Tiaro, and this is how to dance around the world. If you've been to the Cook Islands, you've pretty much been around the world. Dancing around the world is the Cook Islands fairer icebreaker. Psh. Not only do the dancers get to show off, the audience gets a piece of it too.
You got to move your body, come on everybody, time to party.
You might have seen at a cookie function, dancers would rush to the audience to find a partner for a ora, which is a dance. It is rude to say no, so here are the simple tips for you next time if you are in this situation. Step 1. Accept the invitation. When I come to you, don't be shy. Come with me. Join the hula.
You got to move your body, come on everybody, time to party.
Step 2. The moves for the boys. Hands on your hips, bend your knees, and shake your legs. Hands to the left, hands to the right, hands up, down, clap and roll. For the girls, hands behind your ears, swing to the left, swing to the right, and shake around. Hands to the left, hands to the right, and down. Step 3. The final pose. For the boys and for the girls. Final tip. Have fun and see you around the world.